So we are not endorsing, however, we give a platform for anybody to give his opinion, his speech, and his agenda. As we did for Bill de Blasio, among us we have Hisham El-Milegi.
Jazakallah khair, Dr. Ahmed. Thank you for the Arab American Association. Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak, everyone. Somebody asleep? Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so my name is Hisham El-Milegi. My father's name is Mahmoud El-Milegi, but he's not the actor, okay? Let's put that out from the beginning. I'm running for New York City Comptroller, the second most important office in the city of New York after the mayor. So it's a citywide office, the 5 boroughs. All I need to be on the ballot in November is 4,000 signatures from New York City registered voters. If you're registered to vote in New York City, you can sign my petition so I can be on the ballot in November. Inshallah, once that happens, I will be the first Arab, the first Muslim to be on the ballot in November for the very first time for a citywide office. This is huge. Inshallah. Inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. I will be around collecting your signatures. If you want to ask me anything about my platform, the number one thing that I want to do is increase transparency and avoid a lot of the corruption that is happening right now in the city. Jazakumullah khair. Talk to you later.
Okay, with us also we have a Democratic for Public Advocate, Mr.